welcome to our YouTube channel Salsa and Bachata Moves, where I know I promised 10 tricks for the guys, but I had to throw Michael Jackson in. There's two versions of it. One will be doing the version of where he moves forward, and then the second one we're going to use the moonwalk. If not, I'll show it at the end after the dance. If you don't know it, I'll show you a little bit the moonwalk, but not a full explanation, okay? Because here we learn more about the salsa. So here's the bonus Michael Jackson number 11 trick for salsa guys. So these are all about timing and keeping your partner close in order to give her a tease. It always makes them smile, and if you feel comfortable with this lady, of course if it's more beginner than you, a lower level, and she feels uncomfortable, maybe she's there with her boyfriend, maybe you don't want to try to do this, which in Spanish they have a similar thing when they do the Cuban rumba, it's called yogur, they jump and they play along with that. But this is like the Michael Jackson walk. Kicks down, so I didn't put that in so I don't make it too difficult, but what you do here is a crossbody lead with a turn, and 5, 6, on 7 you drop down. Then you use 2 jumps, 1, 2 to come close to the lady, then you use very fast ones by using the ball of your feet, okay, and you're going 5 and 6 and 7, and you're literally pushing with your chest the lady, 5 and 6 and 7, grab. Lead back on a crossbody lead with a turn so you can get out of it. I'll do it one more time on the other side, and then I'll show the moonwalk version. 3, 5, 6, drop. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Very nice game. The lady doesn't know where she's getting pushed, but it's from the chest, and she can also have her hands free to enjoy it. Now for the moonwalk, guys, you might want to find a tutorial for it, but I'll do the most simple version that I can. You are switching between ball of the foot and flat foot. So you're doing this and this. But the timing when people lift their heel when they go back, that's the mistake. Slide with the whole foot and then switch. Some people tend to go back, and before they finish their stride, their natural slippery opening, they start lifting up the heel. And that doesn't look like a moonwalk. So keep it all the way there and switch. Keep it all the way there and switch. You can make it small, you can make it large. And what happens there is that we go 1, 2, 3. And then on 3, we start pulling back with the right. Now we go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now with the left foot, I like to go circle 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, back to the basic. Yes? I'll do it on this side even if you can't see the moonwalk, but you can see when to start. 3, 5, 6, 7. And you can see the roll nicely from here and up. And there's so many other ways, even next to you in bachata, you can still do the moonwalk. I think I should have done it on this side. Look at it here. 1, 2, boom, boom, boom. Kick back and continue something else. So these are the Michael Jackson versions. I hope you enjoy them. We did it, guys. Congratulations to both of us. Now you're going to have for ladies, so we don't have our ladies complaining as well. Not that you're complaining, but it's only fair after I do 10 tricks for guys, we do 10 lovely tricks for ladies. Not there are specifically combinations, but there are styling techniques or a little joke technique or a little teasing technique like we've learned from Afro-Cuban rumba, where we tease the lady and she defends. That's what Latin is all about, is having fun, teasing each other up to a proper level, of course, and enjoy the dance and the moment. Alright? Thank you for watching, everybody. Take care, God bless, stay healthy, and if you'd like to support us, we have our Patreon channel, our Patreon page, and we also have a one-time PayPal donation link in the description. See you on the next video.